What is that question? Read.
Okay, sir. Simplify secant A 1 minus sin A secant A plus tan A.
Okay. Okay, this is a question he was asking to simplify. So first what you do, you multiply that secant A with 1 minus sin A. What you will get, tell me? Secant A minus secant A into sin A, right?
Yes, sir.
Here it is secant A plus tan A. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
We know that secant A is nothing but 1 by cos A. This is nothing but 1 by cos A.
Yes, sir.
So
Okay.
Secant.
This is sin A by cos A is nothing but tan A.
Yeah. Plus tan A.
So it is looking like some A minus B into A plus B.
Yes, sir.
That is equal to A square minus B square. Secant square A minus tan square A. That is nothing but 1. Okay.
Okay.
This is the answer for this question. Simplification is completed. Copy down.
Completed, sir.
completed.
Okay. So next question, this is important for 4 marks, this question.
Plus cosec A square plus cos A plus sec A whole square.
Okay, this is the question he was given. Okay, now we will solve this question. So this is the important question for 4 marks. Okay, remember this.
Sir, they given
Okay,
equals
now
to 7 plus.
that we have to prove. Okay, I am taking the left hand side value, I will prove the right hand side.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now here first these are in the form of a plus b whole square, right? Expand first. A plus b whole square is nothing but a square plus b square plus 2ab, or a square plus 3ab plus b square. So it is looking like a plus b whole square. I am expanding now. A square 2ab and b square. Okay, this is expansion of sin a plus cosec a whole square. Similarly, we expand this cos a plus secant a whole square also. Cos square a
Second square
plus 2 times cos a into secant a plus secant square a.
Sir,
Okay,
first we should write cos A, sir.
where ma?
Second line, sir, first step.
Yes, cos square. This one. This is a plus b whole square, right? A square plus 2ab plus b square.
Okay, sir.
Now this one you write together. Sin square a plus cos square a, together you can write these two together, you can write here sin square a is there, here cos square a is there. These two write it one side, one place. Okay,
Okay.
next you see, next is
So sin
2
A,
times sin a. Cosec a is
2
nothing but
cos
1 by
A.
sin a, we know this. 2 into sin a, cosec a is nothing but 1 by sin a, right?
Yes, sir.
This is cosec square a, right, as it is. We will do in the next step. Plus 2 times cos a, secant a is nothing but 1 by cos a. These two gets cancelled. So sin square a plus cos square a is nothing but 1. This is 2. So here this is cosec square a, again 2 secant square a. So we have identities, right? Secant square theta minus
Sir,
tan
1 is
square
there,
theta,
sir.
where ma? Is equal to
1 by
1, right?
cos A. Yes, sir.
Cancellation we did, no? These two gets cancelled. 2 into 1 is nothing but 2 itself.
Okay, sir.
So from here you can write secant square theta is nothing but 1 plus tan square theta. We have one more identity, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Okay,
Okay, sir.
understood now these two steps?
But again explain, sir.
These two are identities, formula.
Not
Secant
that,
square
sir.
theta
First
plus,
onwards.
which one?
First step onwards. From second step explain, sir.
Okay, It is in the form of which form I told you? A plus b whole square, now.
Yes, sir.
A square 2ab b square. This is also in the form of a plus b whole square. A square
Yes, sir.
2ab plus b square. In the second step, what we did, we written sin square a cos square a together. Okay. Next, what we did here, 2 sin a cosec a is there. 2 sin a cosec a means cosec a can be written as 1 by sin a. Okay. Cosec a is
Sir,
nothing
I
but
have
1 by
doubt,
sin a.
sir.
Where? Tell me.
Sin square A plus cos square A you written, sir.
Yes.
But again, cos square A, why you did not write? 2 sin A plus 2 cos A.
This is 2 sin a. Cosec a is nothing but 1 by sin a. I am replacing that cosec a with 1 by sin a.
Okay, sir.
So this is 2 cos a. Secant a is nothing but 1 by cos a. Okay, here cos square is there. Here is there cos square. We written together, these two together. Sin square, cos square together. Okay.
But
Now
we can't
replace
write
this.
2 sin A plus 2 cos A together, sir.
These two.
No, sir. 2 sin A plus 2 cos A. In first step.
2 sin a.
2 cos A.
These
Down.
two both are different now. This is in sin, this is in cos now.
But here sin A cos you written, no, sir. Sin square A plus cos square A.
This is the identity. We have an identity, right? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1.
Okay, sir. That's only I
That's
have
why we
doubt.
written together. That's why we written these two together. And the next step we written this value is 1.
Okay, sir.
So 1 plus 2 plus 2. Okay, just you see, this is
Fine.
cosec square a is nothing but 1 plus cot square theta. 2 times secant square a is nothing but 1 plus tan square a. Okay, now count the totals. 1 plus 2, 3, 4, 6,
7,
7.
sir.
7 plus tan square a plus cot square a we are getting, right?
Cos square A. Yes, sir. True, sir. 93.
This is only I was asking to write.
Completed, sir.
ఓకే, వన్స్ అగైన్ యూ చెక్ ఫ్రమ్ ద బిగినింగ్, స్టార్టింగ్ నుంచి మళ్ళీ చూసుకోండి ఒకసారి.
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Check once again from the beginning. This is an important question for 4 marks.
Checking, sir.
Tell me the next question.
Into find 1 minus cos theta. 1 plus
Okay.
cos theta. 1 plus cos square theta.
Okay, this is a question we have. Yes or no? Okay. So first these two, if you look at here, what is the form this is? These two are looking like they are in which form?
Minus b.
Which
A
form they
minus
are?
B.
A
A minus b into a
A
plus
plus
b.
whole a plus b.
A square minus b square, right?
Yes, sir.
మీకు ఎప్పుడు యూజ్ అవుతాయి ఈ ఫార్ములాస్, ఏ ప్లస్ బి హోల్ స్క్వేర్, ఏ మైనస్ బి హోల్ స్క్వేర్, ఏ ప్లస్ బి ఇంటూ ఏ మైనస్ బి, ఇవి ఎక్కువగా యూజ్ అవుతూ ఉంటాయి. సో ఇవన్నీ మీరు గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి, ఎక్కడ యూజ్ అవుతుంది అక్కడ అప్లై చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకే,
Okay,
సో
sir.
దిస్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ 1 మైనస్ కాస్ స్క్వేర్ థీటా, 1 మైనస్ కాస్ స్క్వేర్ థీటా. This is 1 plus
1
cot
plus
square
cos
theta.
theta.
So we know that two identities. One is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. That is nothing but sin square theta is nothing but 1 minus cos square theta. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We have one more identity, cot ki cosec ki relation untadi.
Cosec
Cosec
square
square theta
theta
plus cot square
minus-
theta is equal to 1.
minus
Yes, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So here cosec square theta
equals to
is nothing
1.
but 1 plus cot square theta. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Sir, here sin
Replace
is
that.
not there, like, sir. But we used sin formula, no, sir. First form, identity.
1 minus cos square theta is there, na?
Okay, sir.
Sin cos we have a relation, cot cosec we have a relation. See that relation and apply it.
Okay, sir.
So this is sin square theta into this is cosec square theta. Cosec square theta is nothing but 1 by sin square theta. Both gets cancelled, you will get 1. Just observe and take it down.
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Okay, good.
Completed, sir. Next question.
Yes, question number 9.
If secant theta plus tan theta equals to P, then what is the value of secant theta minus tan theta?
So this is very simple question. Secant theta plus tan theta is equal to P. This is a question we have. He's asking to show that, he's asking to find the value of secant theta minus tan theta. This is how much, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very simple. Secant theta plus tan theta is equal to P. We know that one identity we have, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to P. ఇది ఒక ఐడెంటిటీ ఉంది కదా మనకి.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
సో ఇట్ ఇస్ లుకింగ్ లైక్ ఏ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ బి స్క్వేర్. ఏ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ బి స్క్వేర్ ఫామ్ లో ఉంది కాబట్టి ఏ ప్లస్ బి ఇంటూ ఏ మైనస్ బి. A plus B, A minus B. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
This is 1. Sorry, this is 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Okay. Now, this value it is given in the question. This is P. So now secant theta minus tan theta is nothing but 1 by P. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is only the value of secant theta minus tan theta.
1 by P only, sir.
Yes? Tell me what you are asking.
No, sir. 1 by P only, no, sir. Value I'm saying, sir.
1 by P. Whenever this model is asking, you have to remember the value is reciprocal of it. For example, cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k. What is the value of cosec theta minus cot theta?
1 by k.
1 by k.
Yes,
1 by k.
yes, simple answer. If it is coming in part B or somewhere, you can write 1 by k without calculation.
సార్ ఈ ఫామ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఎన్ని మార్క్స్ అడుగుతారు సార్?
E question,
12.
సార్
1 mark question అడుగుతుంది.
Completed, sir.
Okay.
Completed, sir.
కాంప్లికేటెడ్ సార్.
Last question.
Read, sir.
Read that last question, an important question for 4 marks. This is very, very important.
Okay. If cosec theta plus cot theta equals to k, then prove that cosec theta equals to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1.
So what is the given statement is? Cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k. Yes or no?
ఎస్ సార్.
He is asking to prove that. Okay, we have to prove that
K
cos
square
theta is
minus
nothing but minus 1 by k square plus 1. So important question for 4 marks. Very, very simple. Just you observe here, but important. I told you before, what is the value of cosec theta minus cot theta?
1.
1 by
cosec square
1 by k.
Yes, 1 by k. Use the same process. A plus b into a minus b.
equals to 1.
Okay.
ఎస్ సార్.
Now this is k. So you will get cosec theta minus cot theta is nothing but 1 by k. This is 1. First equation. This is second equation. Solve 1 and 2. Okay.
One by k.
So if you add these two gets cancelled, 2 times cosec theta is equal to k plus 1 by k, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Up to here copy.
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Okay. Okay. 2 cosec theta is equal to, we are getting,
A plus 1 by K.
yes, take the LCM, K is the LCM there. K square plus 1, right? This is the value. Okay.
Sir, this load is blurry, sir.
Blurry, sir.
Okay, now clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
Substitute this value. Substitute cosec theta in equation 1. Let it be sum, this is 3. What is equation 1? Cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to K
Plus
కదా,
cos
ఇదే కదా
theta
ఫస్ట్
equals.
ఈక్వేషన్.
Yes, sir.
ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి, cosec theta వాల్యూని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Two K is the LCM. K square minus 1 by 2K. So this is the value of cot. Yes.
Sir, cot K minus K square plus 1 by 2K is there, sir. But downward, sir. 2K square you written and minus K square you written.
LCM we have taken, na? Where you are
I
not,
did not
this here,
understand. Yes, sir.
up to here it is okay.
Okay, sir.
Now take the LCM, next step. What is the LCM?
K.
2K.
Okay.
Here 2K is there, not there. We should multiply with the 2K. If you multiply with the 2K, it becomes 2K square.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, sir.
Minus, plus into minus is minus. It becomes K square. Plus into minus is minus, minus 1. 2K square లో నుంచి ఒక K square వెళ్ళిపోతే K square ఉంటుంది.
Yes.
Minus 1 by
Minus
2K,
1.
right?
Okay.
Okay. Next, what we have to find? We have to find cos theta value. Up to here, copy.
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Samyaka.
Okay, dividing 4 and 3. That is cot theta by cosec theta. That is equal
Sir,
to
equation 4 we don't know, sir.
which equation?
Dividing 4 and 3 means equations only, no, sir?
Yes, this is the fourth one, this is the third one.
Okay.
By okay.
Fraction by fraction.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Cot is nothing but cos by sin kada.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Cosec is nothing but 1 by sin. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
So here also it is both are looking like a fraction by fraction. So this is the numerator part, this is the denominator part, right?
Yes, sir. 2k. Yes.
These two gets cancelled. Here also it is looking like fraction by fraction. That is equal to
Yes, sir. Plus 1.
these two gets cancelled. Cos theta is nothing but so this is the required value for us. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
So this is a very important question for 4 marks. Okay, practice this question well.
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Okay, now you do this question by your own. చూడకుండా చేయండి question.